Hey, this is the morning after the first night of the remnants of Hurricane Ian. And I think not looking too bad. Puddle running all along the seawall on this side. That'll go down pretty fast. It's all gravel and sand. And the water is up about where I expected it, maybe a little bit less. Remember, there used to be a dock there. It's all underwater. Neighbor's dock is a lot higher. His is just about underwater. And no damage. We didn't have much wind. Just water. Of course, the top of the pool's all filled up. I got to get the pump going on that, because that will rip all the lines eventually if it gets too much. I don't think the rain is over. I think just we got a little lull, and this is all underwater. Not bad, only a couple inches. I don't know what under the house looks like, but that shouldn't be too bad. Front lawn not bad. Got no branches down or anything. Not bad at all. But you can see where the water washed through here last night. All the debris washed through the lawn. But no branches down or anything. That's it for this video.